So we're off in Clackamas to an area that is very industrial. There's like Safeway warehouses and all kinds of stuff going on here. But surprisingly enough, there is a jewel in the crown in the form of a park, which we are going to now. Just off Evelyn Street here, take a right. As you can see here, it's just trucks and warehouses and various other things. Railroad tracks, of course, because it's industrial. I don't know how long this has been here, but there's a lot of it. So you think, oh, just an industrial area. But when you come up to Ward Avenue and take a right, you'll find something different. And that is Water Avenue. And here we are in the middle of an industrial estate. The Riverside Park. No alcohol, dogs on leash, waste receptacle, no camping. Didn't say anything about not taking photographs or flying drones, so I'll be very careful and respect this. Once you get through the main gate, you come down this road, or you can come into this area, and this is the area where you park to get access to all the playing fields, like baseball and stuff like that. And in this area here, we've got the baseball diamond. Must be popular because they've got a fence around it. And here are the bleachers that everybody sits, and the sign there says Clackamas Little League. So it's quite a community-based operation around here. Looks very nice too, very nice. Home and guest. But there's about, I think there's 3 of these fields, or at least 2. So there's room for everybody and plenty of competition. It's got the local firefighters supporting this here, field sponsor, and also Tonkin cars. And just next to the baseball pitch is a large covered area which I suspect is for like families to have picnics and stuff like that. So lots of fun. People are fishing on the river here. They even put little eating and drinking trays for your pet dog by a tree.